Morning, Don.
Morning, Peter.
And good looking Pete. Well, this is what it looks like in the morning after a big storm. Well,
Yep.
Don's modelling his new suit for 2017. Oh, Mike. Is it a Teletubby?
Yeah, it's a Teletubby suit.
That's his Teletubby. We've got one of these each. We're ready to go underwater, aren't we, Don? Submarine captain.
We even got mittens with it, so keep your hands warm.
We were checking out last night for water, weren't we? And there was no water, so for one place, 2 little drops of water came in over there. Other than that, very dry in here. And very warm. We've got a heater on. Not even a lot of condensation on the windows. It's all on the outside, that. Well, actually, inside and outside. We're still very warm in here. The only thing we will say, Don, the beds need to be bigger.
Yes.
Don was trying to cuddle up to me in this side of the bed.
We found out there's not enough room for one.
Yes.
Oh, that's better. Feel more human now than the out on.
What time did we get up? What time did we wake up first?
3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock.
And now it's 7:15. You cannot see outside anyway.
I can't pull on that roll of tissue.
We're going to have a big breakfast in a minute.
Yeah, big fry up.
See you soon.